So, this is my dog, Hunter. Say hi, Hunter. Okay. He's playful. Are you mad at me? No? Let's see if I can grab his toy. He is 4 years old. He's a yellow lab. And he looks like he's wearing eyeliner. Let's see what happens if I walk away. No, no. He's not taking that. He's not taking that. Ah! Oh. Why do you want to play with this? No. No, give it back. Give it back. Ugh. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. He's just being a little butt. Isn't that right? You're being a butt? Hunter, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Come back. Come back. Come here. Hunter. Hunter, come here. Good boy. Hunter, sit. He listens so well. Listens so well. Help me. There we go. Ow, my finger. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed Hunter. He's my second dog I ever had. My first dog was Buckus. I showed him in a past video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. As always, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you guys later. Peace.